Hi you guys, it's Nita here from Next with Nita. I'm here to give myself a thumbs up and this acne a thumbs down. So today I'm gonna film an all new look for you guys. Ooh, what's that? I'm gonna take this tartlet, chicken of the sea, and I'm gonna lay down a nice base for the rest of my makeup. And then I'm going to take this triangular prism that Hourglass gave me, and I'm gonna draw some fun little tiger stripes all over my face. Rawr. Ooh, lucky beard hair. And then I'm gonna draw some more stripes on my chin. You have to make sure to look ferocious every time you go out. And we can't forget drawing some fun squiggles on your nose just to change things up a little bit. And then I'm gonna go up on my forehead and I'm gonna draw a fun little tree. So we're going from tigers in the tree. That's the vibe we're going for. And then just to keep things interesting, I'm just going to draw some horizontal stripes all on my cheek and below my eye, and then a little mustache too. Mustache. Now for the main event, I'm going to draw some really long tiger stripes on my neck too. And I'm going to take my dishwashing brush. Look how pretty it is. And then I'm going to squeegee all of that fun hour-long stuff into my face. Actually, it's funny because the technique for cleaning your dishes is not that different from your face. Just scrub-a-dub-dub. Ooh, I like this. I like it a lot. And scrub-a-dub-dub, I like to rub. Scrub-a-dub-dub, I like to rub, 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 rub. Now I'm going to take my handy dandy mechanical pencil and we're going to draw on some fun little eyebrows. Oh no, does anybody have any 0.7 lead? Anybody? It fell. Oh, thank God one of my classmates had some. Okay, let's see what comes next. Ooh, I know, I'm gonna get my handy dandy Ewer under eye concealer. Now I'm gonna take my kitchen sponge and I'm just gonna dab, 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 dab it, dab, dab, dabbity, dab, 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 dab. I'm now gonna take my thin little paintbrush and we're just gonna make sure everything's all nice and smooth over. And remember, smooth and thorough is what we're always going for here. Because if you're doing something and it's not smooth and thorough, then it's not worth doing. Dipping back into my everyday kitchen supplies, I'm gonna get some baking powder and spill some for good luck. Now I gotta get my handy dandy kitchen sponge. And I know it seems odd I use a lot of kitchen supplies on my face, but that's because the face is the kitchen of the soul. Switching over to office supplies now, I'm taking my Tarte Scotch tape. And it's called Scotch tape because it's really what holds everything together up there. Because life is always about finding a way to hold things together. And Scotch tape definitely helps with that. Opening up my baking drawer again to take some of my brown sugar and my hour-long brush, and we're going to use this brown sugar to contour my cheekbones because everyone loves a good set of cheekbones. Ooh, forgot my nose there. Now I'm going to squeeze out just a little bit of this gooey bare mineral stuff. Clean up, clean up. Now I'm just going to blend in some of that chocolate ice cream with my mint brush to make some mint chocolate ice cream. That's my favorite flavor and I'm really excited about it. Ooh, I almost missed my forehead too. You know, Taylor Swift's new album came out today and I thought it was really cool how she made it about love. I thought it was really good the first 10 times I listened to it, but then the next 10 times I thought it was really, really good. Oh no, my weave is loose again. Now I'm going to take some hour-long chocolate and vanilla ice cream. And now we're going to take some actual bronzer and then put it all over my cheekbones and my lower jaw to make my face look skinnier. Not that I need it because I look absolutely beautiful, but it's just nice to have. And then I'm going to skinny my forehead, then skinnyfy my neck. Ooh, what's down there? Now I'm going to take some of this banana pudding looking stuff. And I'm doing this because the new trend is to get some nice mutton chops going, some nice long mutton chops. Everyone loves to look like a Civil War general these days. I do declare myself fabulous. Smells like style. Now I'm going to take this fancy little broom that I normally use behind the fridge and to accentuate my cheeks a little bit more. It's time for some more ice cream. to take my handy dandy toothbrush and I'm going to just brush the bridge of my nose. Okay, it's getting a little hot in here, so I'm just going to gently fan myself to cool off because it gets hot in New York. My neck was feeling a little bit left out, so I'm going to use some of my ice cream and accentuate my collarbones. Because life is all about accentuating yourself and everything that you have to offer. I'm going to take some liquid highlighter that I found on the planet Nars and dab it all over my cheek to get 'em poppin'. Because y'all know this ride won't be stoppin' if my cheeks are poppin'. Next on the list is my box of watermelon. Ooh, look how nice it is. And it's time to blend in all that juicy goodness. Now I'm gonna get some minerals and I'm gonna put them into my face because being healthy is what's really important. And tickling your nose is pretty important too. Ooh, who is that stone cold fox looking at me in the mirror? Now I'm pointing at this color because I'm gonna put that color on my eye because it's always fun to have different colored eyes. Pointing to this pink color because I'm going to combine that with the other color I put on top of my eyes because mixing colors is always so much fun. Now I'm going to take my eye pokey stick and I'm going to try to poke myself in my eye without actually poking myself in my eye. It's a fun little game I like to play when no one's watching, or in this case when everyone's watching. It's just one of those really fun, dangerous games I like to play. I live life on the edge. And wouldn't you know it, I'm going to add a third color on top of the other two colors that are on my eye. Pew, pew. Then I'm going to take my portal into the fabulous dimension and I'm going to just fabulousize my eyes because what's even better than 3 colors is always a little bit of fabulous. Pokey pokey eye time, pokey pokey eye time, yeah. Ooh, maybe I have a little bit too much fabulous there. Let me just fix that real quick. Okay, concentrate slowly on my over eyes. Gotta make sure the fabulous is all ready to go now.
Well, sorry to interrupt everything that was going on.
Yeah, it was going so well.
Was it?
Yes.
And then what happened?
And then...
Yeah? So, Ajit was editing the part you just saw. And then, like, late at night, it was like midnight. He's like, I deleted one of the files. And I'm like, what do you mean one of the files? And he just was like, I was just trying to make room, and so I just deleted it. So, here we are. New clothes. I tried to recreate somewhat of the look, but you know what? I thought it would be a good idea for the rest of the look to go on this guy.
Wait, what?
Yes.
What's...
Oh, you thought this was going on me. You thought I was gonna finish the look.
That's a lot of stuff in your lap.
It's only, honestly, dramatic. Okay, so we left off. You saw me putting the sparkles, adjusting the crease color of my eyeshadow, and I was basically done at that point. So all we have left is lipstick, mascara, and just a quick little setting spray. And you know, you have gorgeous lashes. I've always told you, like, beautiful
They're
lashes.
actually ruined.
They're... Oh, heaven. So, yeah, let's get started.
What if I do it on you?
Nope. No. What should we start with? You have beautiful lashes. You know, just roll up close in the camera for me. Just show everyone, and then just like flush those lashes a little bit. Go like, yes, beautiful. Okay, so. This is the device I'm gonna use.
Pull all of them out?
No, it won't do that. But sometimes it does, and you have to be careful.
One just came out.
So what you're gonna do is just kind of look down. Just look down.
No. Okay.
Okay, come on.
It's really weird. It's like going in my eye.
Okay, we're just going to grip. Don't move. I'm being really easy on you, to be honest. Okay, other side. I'm not like really tugging. I could really tug and it could really hurt. Okay, we're curling. Oh, see, that one curled better. Let me curl this one a little bit more. Okay, one more time on this. There we go. Got a good grip. So we're gonna go in just straight with mascara. This is the Damn Girl Too Faced mascara. We're gonna put the Damn Girl mascara on you, sir.
You did that on purpose.
Is this your first time getting mascara?
Yes.
It's looking good. Just kind of bear with me.
Don't put it in my
Wait,
mascara's
no,
smudging.
don't.
Oh, it's smudging.
Oh, it's smudging. Okay, well, I'll get a makeup wipe.
Oh, this is weird. This feels weird.
I'm not even putting on a lot. I'll clean up the bottom that you clearly smudged. Okay, look at me. Just look at me. At me!
Ah!
How does it feel?
I feel terrible.
Okay, you look good. Okay, now let's do some lips. I'm gonna just line your lips. I'm gonna make it like a plumpier effect. Okay. You're gonna have to be still. There's some in your beard here. Then we're gonna go in with a lippy. This is Too Faced Melted Matte.
Or at least it's the dog one.
It is the dog one. It's like painting. Don't you love painting? You're gonna paint your lips a pretty shade.
I don't like painting people.
Mm-hmm. Put your lips together. Go. Yes, good. You know what? That's like the hardest part. The last step is just spray. You actually had it pretty easy, let me tell you.
Spray what? It's in my mouth.
Well, I didn't say open your mouth now, did I?
Oh, it smells like sunscreen.
Okay, close it. I'm gonna target this side and target this side. And there you have it. The completed look between both of us.
I'm never deleting anything again.
Use your imagination of how the complete look will actually be on one person. So what lesson did we learn here?
I'm never deleting anything.
He looks good, you guys. You did good. Smile for the camera. Ajit will never delete a file again. That's the more of all of this. And I hope you enjoyed it. And let me know if you want to see more of this, more makeup on Ajit, because, you know, if you request it, then it'll happen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so down below. And we will chat soon. Bye.
Bye.